Welcome back to trumaxx. Today we're taking a closer look at our Axial Fans, your ultimate solution for HVAC and art needs. They are known for their efficiency and simplicity in moving air across. They play a vital role in applications where effective airflow management is crucial. Our Axial Fans are designed to deliver consistent airflow, require minimal space, produce less noise, ensure high efficiency while requiring minimal maintenance and cost effectiveness. We offer AC axial fans in sizes ranging from 200 millimeters, 250 millimeters, 300 millimeters, 350 millimeters, 400 millimeters, 450 millimeters, 500 millimeters, 550 millimeters, 600 millimeters, 630 millimeters, 710 millimeters, and 800 millimeters. The largest axial fan. Visit our website for the datasheet and share seamlessly with your team. I need a 3-phase fan of size 350 millimeters and model 4D350. Accordingly, I'll get a datasheet downloaded filled with all the critical and technical information you need, from speed and power consumption to noise levels. With just a few clicks, you'll have all the details at your fingertips, making it easy to share with your team for informed decision-making. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest innovations.